Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy English Classroom. Today we are going to understand what is an expanded noun. So let's go through. An expanded noun phrase gives more detail or information about a noun in a simple noun phrase. This is usually done by adding adjectives to describe the noun in the noun phrase. Let's have a look at the example. Now, he walked through the dark, mysterious forest. In this example, the expanded noun phrase is the dark, mysterious forest. The words dark and mysterious have been used to expand the noun phrase. They make writing more interesting and engaging as they help the reader to build an image in their mind. Why do you think we need to use an expanded noun phrase? Well, expanded noun phrases make writing more interesting and engaging for the reader. Besides, adding descriptive details helps the reader build a clear image in their mind, allowing them to visualize the scene or the character more effectively. Let's have a look at some of the sentences with the expanded noun phrase. Number 1. The diligent, highly trained rescue team navigated the narrow, treacherous mountain pass through the bitterly cold night. Number 2. Fragile golden autumn leaves danced across the cracked moss-covered pavement in the gentle breeze. Number 3. A menacing charcoal grey storm cloud gathered slowly above the vast, shimmering expanse of the lifeless ocean. Number 4. The fragrant sun-drenched blossoms of the cherry trees carpeted the path in a delicate pink silk. The resilient, salt-sprayed cliffs of the rugged coastline stood fine against the furious, white-capped waves of the Atlantic. Simple noun phrases can make an article feel boring, whereas expanded noun phrases are used to improve the quality of the text across various styles, including stories, narratives, poems, articles, instructions, diary entries, letters, biographies, and fact files. Replace the adjectives or modifying nouns to create a better version of the expanded noun phrase. For example, the young lady is covered with green paint. Let's have a look at a better version. The young, energetic lady is covered with vibrant green paint. Now think of a better suited fronted adverbial to describe why the lady is covered in paint, and try to replace the adjectives or modifying nouns, choosing different words from before. Since she loves art, the young lady is covered in green paint. Now some examples of fronted adverbial could be since, because, as. After that, add an embedded relative clause beginning with who to give more information about the lady. Since she loves art, the young energetic lady who giggles a lot is covered in vibrant green paint. Finally, add a subordinating clause beginning with a subordinating conjunction which gives extra information about why the lady is covered in green paint or in paint. Since she loves art, the young energetic lady who giggles a lot is covered in vibrant green paint so that she can raise money for the charity. Now read the newspaper extract below. It has many simple noun phrases and it is quite a boring article. Please improve the article by expanding the noun phrases. Use the adjectives next to the picture to help you to improve the text. Let's have a look at the word bank. Unsinkable, cold, hardworking, confused, monstrous, mountainous, experienced, deadly, mighty, terrified, frightened, vast. Now let's have a look at the article. On that night, the Titanic hit an iceberg that was floating through the North Atlantic. Ignoring several warnings about the icebergs, the captain ordered his crew to sail at full speed, which caused several sections of the ship to come apart upon impact. At first, passengers did not realize what a situation they were in, but gradually, water began filling the decks of the ship, which could not be ignored. Many passengers placed their life jackets on and headed towards the ship's deck. Faces looked around in shock whilst some passengers began to get into the lifeboats. Now let's have a look at this article with some of the expanded noun phrase. On that cold night, the mighty unsinkable Titanic hit a monstrous mountainous iceberg that was floating through the vast North Atlantic. Ignoring several warnings about the deadly icebergs, the experienced captain ordered his hard-working crew to sail at full speed, which caused several sections of the ship to come apart upon impact. At first, perplexed, disoriented passengers did not realize what a situation they were in. But gradually, water began filling the decks of the ship, which could not be ignored. Many terrified, baffled passengers placed their life jackets on and headed towards the ship's deck. Terrified faces looked around in shock whilst some passengers began to get into the lifeboats. Now it's your turn. Look at the image below. Write a short paragraph with expanded noun phrase about this image. You might also include fronted adverbial and a subordinating clause. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching today. I'll see you soon.